Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So Palm sent us the Palm phone and this portable USB-C bank, so we're going to be unboxing these two things today. So let's get into the phone first. So let's just slide it off and it should be pretty easy to open. Alright, it's like an iPhone thing. They wanna alright, hold on. Don't want to show you the bottom because the IMEI is on there. Alright, so there's the little phone itself. This thing is tiny. Let me just do that. Look how small this thing is. This thing is small. This is the Palm phone, though, in my hand. Let's see what else comes in the box. A SIM ejection tool. What else? Your chargers. And your charging brick. I made a giant mess already. So you got your USB-C cable right there, and you got the actual phone itself. This thing is really small in the hand. Let's boot it up, though. It might not be charged, but we will see. It is booting up. This thing is really small in my hand. Look at that. Let me pull out my iPhone 12. Look at my iPhone 12 next to this thing. Wow. That's crazy. That thing's tiny, and it's powered by Android, by the way. That is so small. It's really cool, though. Let's move this stuff to the side. And while that boots up, and so let's get into this. So this has got the seals still on it. I didn't take them off. So we'll be back once we get the seals off of this thing. Alright guys, so I'm back. I didn't end up cutting the seals off. I figured I'll leave that out for now, but this is the Palm phone in my hand now. This thing is really cool. I think I'm actually going to use this for like while biking, mapping out my bike rides, but let's look at the design. So this is the titanium finish. So silver around the sides, black on the back. This thing is really nice, but it's so small, but it's built so well. Kind of reminds me of like an iPhone or something. The build quality is really good on this thing. Pretty nice. Pretty sure it's glass. It's definitely glass. You can pick one of these up. Links down in the description below. But huge shout out to Palm for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. They also gave me the. It also came with USB-C. So a USB-C cable, so you just plug it in like such, and that's how you charge it. USB-C is how you charge this thing. So this is the Palm phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video of the Palm phone. Like always, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.